Hi, so this question is maximum array hopping score 1. So the question is you are given the integer array and then you want to return the maximum score starting from index 0 and hopping until the end. So in each hop, you want to jump from index I to index j, and definitely j is greater than I, and then you do this calculation. So yeah, let's think about this. So for the first solution, for first example, there are two possible ways, right? So you can hop from index 0 to index 2, or you can do 0 to 1, 1 to 2. So at this moment, it's pretty straightforward. You only have two comparison. Are you selecting the 13 or are you select the 16, right? So this will be easy. But how about this? So you're given the long integer array, and then you don't know like how to hop, right? You will only know the maximum comparison, then you can know like which index you are trying to hop from in the index I to index j, right? So for example, how do you know you will hop from here to here, or here to here, or here to here? Here to here. Like you don't know if you're starting from the beginning. So in this solution, you want to think a little bit, awkward. You want to start from the end and then to the beginning. So let's think about this. If you want to reach at this destination, you will definitely need to hop from index I to the last index, right? That being said, you will have plus 3 at the end, okay? So in this solution, it's going to be the same. You will plus A for sure, but you don't know like the previous int, but plus A for sure, because you will reach until this position. That being said, you want to add this value. All right, so if you are starting from here, if you are starting from index, index 0, you won't be able to say plus 1 because you are starting, you start hopping. And then this is j minus I. This is what? Index. Index. And then your index is always, index, first index is always 0, right? So you won't add this value. You won't add this value. Okay, let me remove it. So what we need to do from here, so we already know it's starting from the end to the beginning, right? So we plus 3. And then we move forward. Does this current integer is greater than me? No. So my max is still 3. So I will plus another 3. So imagine you jump from here to here to here, or jumped from here to here. So you definitely know these two are going to be 3 for maximum. But again, we don't know the middle value, right? So I was here. Right? I was here. I know my maximum is 3. So I move forward. I see this is 9. 9 is greater than what? So initially I have 3, right? So 9 is greater than 3. So I'm going to know this will be my, the stop point. So what that being said is I know I will have to jump from here to here for sure. But from here to here, I'm not sure that which one would be interrupt my jump, but I definitely know this is the stop. The stop, the stop index to hop, right? Something like this. Okay, and I move forward. This is 8, so my max is already updated to 9. So this is 8, and compare with my max, and 9 is still greater than 8, so I add it. So I move forward. So it's 2, 2 will be the same, 5 will be the same. So, and then this will be a first index. And again, we're not adding the first index. We are not adding the first index. First index doesn't uh, include it. So let me do a little bit calculation right here. 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, something like this. 9 times 4 plus 3 times 2. So 36 right here. 3 times 2, what, 6 plus will be 42. So yeah, this will be the explanation. And let's start coding. So I have a return value called result. I have the maximum to calculate what's the current maximum I have. I return a result. I traverse from the last index. And all the way to the first index, but not including the first. And then max will become math.max. is either max or current value. Okay, and then later on, I need to do it just using the plus equal max, right? In each iteration you plus, that is being said, you multiply, few numbers at the same time, So plus equal would be each iteration. So this will be a trick. Oh, come on. Int I, yeah, forget this. Alright, so this will be the solution. Time and space are straightforward. Space is constant times all of n. So that will be a solution. Alright, see you.